Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Windows Edition and whether your PC is 32 or 64-bit so you download the correct installer. Next, sign into the Microsoft account that owns the Office license. This links activation. Once done, turn off third-party antivirus and any VPN or proxy. These often block installer tasks. Make sure you have a stable wired connection and at least 10 GB free disk space. Now download the official Office installer from your account's portal and get ready for the install. You should run the installer using Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues and pick the online installer for newest files or the offline image for flaky connections. If the install fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to capture logs and auto-fix common errors. Also clear %temp% and ensure Windows Update has no pending updates. Many Office installs require a current OS state. Once you reboot after updates, retry the installer. Keep an eye on specific error codes shown during setup. You finish by activating Office with the same Microsoft account or entering the product key so Office registers and receives updates. If apps open but behave oddly, go to Programs, choose Office, and run Quick Repair. If that fails, use Online Repair, which reinstalls core files. Make sure to sign into an Office app to verify activation and sync settings. If problems persist, note the exact error code. Run the Microsoft uninstall/cleanup tool to remove remnants, then reinstall. This often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.